Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number 4, multi-tool. Okay, multi-tool, multi-tool, multi-tool. Keep you one, you won't be sorry. Okay, they come in handy. They come in all shapes and sizes. Okay, plier ones, scissor ones. Yeah, multi-plier, multi-scissor, whatever you want to call them. So today's item is the Oknife Roxon OKS2. Scissors, tweezers, saw, bottle opener, flathead, awl, secondary knife, ruler, Phillips, knife, and that's it. Okay, and pocket clip. But the scissors are A1, big dumbass scissors. I haven't used the saw yet, not gonna lie to you. Bottle opener, haven't used that yet either. Knife, liner lock, used that a ton. Phillips, I've used it, and all I've used it. And glass breaker on the top. So again, multi-tool, number 4 on my list of top 5 EDC carry items. Where would it rank on your list? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.